Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install plugin in Davinci Resolve. It is going to be very easy process and you can easily install your plugin in Davinci Resolve. So this is the plugin I have in my PC which I'm going to install. So what I need to do to install the plugin, just double click on the plugin. What it will do, it will automatically open the Davinci Resolve, and later on you will see this pop-up where we have the option to install it. So just click on install, and as you click on install, it means you have successfully installed the plugin in your Davinci Resolve. To view that plugin, you just need to open a project where you are working on. So let's suppose this is the project where I'm working on. So I'll just open the project, then go to edit tab, and in the effects tab here you can see the effects section, and in the effects section you will see the same plugin which we have installed in our Davinci Resolve, and it is successfully installed in our PC. And yeah guys, that's how you can install plugin in Davinci Resolve. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.